viewers, in this episode I will be showing you how to make jackfruit stir fry. It's called in Malayalam as Chakka Ularthiyathu. So jackfruit is an exotic fruit in Kerala. To clean the jackfruit, I am not an expert, so I am not showing you the complete thing of cleaning how to clean the jackfruit. There are a lot of other videos also on YouTube which helps you to clean the jackfruit fast. So let's see how it is done. The recipe is very simple, and talking about the health benefits, it's really super nutritious. So yeah, let's see how it is done. I'm frying a cup of chopped shallots, around 15 of them. It will add flavor to your jackfruit stir fry. No need to wait till the shallots become golden brown. It just has to become translucent. 3 teaspoons of chilli flakes, half tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder to add some color, quarter tablespoon turmeric powder, 10 to 15 curry leaves. Once everything is mixed together, add the jackfruit and combine with the rest of the ingredients. Add salt. Do not add water to the jackfruit stir fry, since adding water may cause the jackfruit to lose its texture. Cook with the lid closed for approximately 5 minutes. It has been 5 minutes now and the jackfruit is ready. Season it with some coconut oil and curry leaves. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment below. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell button so that next time when I upload a new video you will get the notifications. So my favorite part of tasting the jackfruit stir fry, Chakka Ularthiyathu, I'm going to eat it. One more spoon, let me eat. Hot. So all of you try it and give me your comments and suggestions. See you soon in another episode.